So we're going to change the spark plugs. So to do that, we're going to remove the air filter box. So we're going to have to unscrew 1, 2, 3 and 4 screws to get the box out of the way. They're 10mm. Now you can lift it out of the way. You can undo this if you want, so you can remove it completely, but that's enough for you to be able to lift it and move it out of the way to do the spark plugs. So just pull this out to the side, then lift these out of the way, and then you've got access to the spark plugs. Just pull the HT leads out, they just pop out. And then the spark plugs are just down there. So get the spark plug socket and put it on there. Then get your ratchet and then break it free. And lift it out. So just make sure that the new one's the same as the old one, then start putting in the new ones. So put the new one on the tool and then put it in and start screwing it in by hand. With the ratchet, just tighten it down a little bit, not fully because we're going to torque it up afterwards. Okay, then move on to the next one. Make sure it's on there properly. And just loosen it. And just do the same with this one. Take it off, put the new one on, and then put it back in. Not too tight because we're going to torque them up afterwards. Move on to the next one. Get the new one. Once you've got the new one, put it back in. ratchet and just do it up a little bit. Then move on to the next one. Remove it, and then get the new one again. Once you've got the new one, put it in. Tighten it up a little bit with the ratchet, but not too much. And now we're going to torque them all up. So they get torqued down to between 24 and 28 Newton meters. So once you've got all the spark plugs torqued up, then we can start putting back the HT leads. So start off with the shortest one, and then you should hear a little pop as you get them in. Once you've got them all in, then you can place the airbox back in the way. So start putting in the bolts. Start them off by hand. So just do these up, they don't need to be that tight. And we've just got the last one for this, that we've got to line this up. And then once that's in, you just line up that bolt hole. And then again do that up with the ratchet, but it doesn't need to be very tight. And then you're done.
If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want more.